In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center logo on Shopify. We're going to keep this simple and clean so you can get your store's branding looking polished in just a few minutes. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. This is the dashboard where you manage your store, and it's the starting point for any design changes. Make sure you're logged into the correct store so the changes apply where you expect. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This opens the area where your themes live, which is where we control how your storefront looks and feels. You'll see your current theme at the top and any other themes in your library below. Next, go to Themes and open the theme editor. Depending on your theme, this button may appear as Edit Theme or Customize. Either way, you're heading into the visual editor for your live theme. It's a good idea to confirm you're editing the theme that's live to visitors so you'll see your changes on the storefront right away. Inside the theme editor, focus on the Sections panel and click the Header section. The header controls the logo, navigation, and sometimes announcement bars. This is where the logo alignment settings usually live. Now look for a setting labeled Logo Position or Layout. Different themes label it slightly differently, but you're typically looking for options like left, center, or right, or descriptions such as logo alignment or header layout. If you don't see it immediately, expand the available groups within the header settings and scan for alignment or layout controls. Choose center as the logo position. Some themes offer a couple of center styles, such as centered with navigation below, or centered with the menu split on both sides. If you see multiple center options, pick the one that best fits your design. Either way, selecting center will move your logo to the middle of the header for a clean, balanced look. When you're happy with the placement, click Save. The Save button is usually at the top right of the editor. After saving, use the preview to check how it looks on desktop and then switch to the mobile preview in the editor. Centering typically translates well to mobile, but it's always worth confirming. If your logo appears too large or too small, many themes include a logo width or max width slider in the same header settings, which can help fine-tune the visual balance without changing alignment. That's it, you logged into Shopify, navigated to Online Store, opened your theme editor, adjusted the header, set the logo to center, and saved your changes. Your storefront now has a neatly centered logo that reinforces your brand at a glance.